Hi guys, I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be sharing 3 makeup techniques that will elevate your skills from beginner to pro. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest notifications. Let's dive into the first makeup technique, focusing on achieving a flawless foundation application. We all desire that natural flawless look, and here's a technique you must try if you haven't already, using a wet beauty sponge. To begin, make sure to wet your sponge. Take your sponge and saturate it under water approximately 8 times, ensuring it's fully soaked. Then wring out any excess water. This approach not only results in more natural finish that can be built upon but also prevents the sponge from soaking up excessive foundation. Once your sponge is ready, I'll dip it into my favorite foundation, the Lakme Skin Tint Foundation. All you gotta do is gently press or roll the sponge onto your skin for even coverage. This technique allows the product to seamlessly blend into your skin, achieving that flawless finish. As a quick tip, remember to clean your sponge after each use. Let's talk about the second technique, involving the use of blush and highlighter. Today I have chosen two cream-based products, the Lakme Creme Blush and the Lakme Creme Highlighter. The thing with cream products is, if you use your fingers to dab on cream blush and highlighter, your foundation might lift up. The key is to give your foundation a bit of time to set or dry before applying a heavier texture on top. For applying blush, here's a tip. Start by applying the blush approximately 2 fingers away from the base of your nose, then blend the color upwards towards the temple. This technique aims to lift and brighten your face for a flattering effect. Now, let's talk about the technique for applying highlighter. The key is to apply it on high points of your face, highlighting areas where natural sunlight catches. Begin by concentrating on the area above your cheekbones. The highlighter should start in line with the outer corner of your eye, angling up and forming a sideways U shape that ends slightly above the eyebrow's end. Now, to create the illusion of a button nose, lightly dab a small amount on the tip. Enhance the appearance of larger eyes by applying highlighter to the inner corners. Finally, a small amount on your cupid's bow will make your lips stand out and appear slightly fuller. Alright, let's dive into the third technique, which is all about achieving well-defined lips. To get there, start by applying a foundation base on your lips. This not only evens out the lip color but also helps the lipstick stay on longer. Now, it's time to define those lips with a lip liner. Lip liner is crucial to prevent your lipstick from feathering or bleeding. Choose a lip liner that matches your lipstick color perfectly. If you don't have an exact match, opt for a neutral shade that complements your lip color. Now for application, if you look closely, you'll see that your lips have a natural white contour. Use this as a guide when you apply lip liner. Then, just lightly dust the lip liner with powder. Gives lip liner extra staying power. Don't apply too much, otherwise your lip liner will appear blurred. Now, let's talk about lipstick. Today, I've got the Lakme Absolute Beyond Matte Lipstick. It's lightweight, long-lasting and has a velvety matte finish we all love. Here's a little secret. Use a lip brush for that pro touch. I get it, most of us skip it, finding it easier to swipe straight from the tube. But trust me, it's worth it. The even application technique also prevents the lip liner from looking too severe and harsh, thus giving more natural appearance to the lips. After the first coat, blot with tissue, then add a second coat and blot again. Layering in this manner enhances the longevity of your lipstick. There you have it, well-defined and stunning lips. So guys, I hope you like these top 3 makeup techniques to level up your game from beginner to pro. Before I sign off, don't forget to show some love. Like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest updates. Bye.